You are watching lesson number 4, fast tracking using Doodly templates. The absolute best way to fast track your next video is by using Doodly templates. I won't spend time trying to convince you that I'm right. Instead, I'll just show you that I'm right. So let's get after it. Okay, now we're going to come over here and we're going to click on this templates tab. Depending on your membership, Doodly may offer you free templates. Now, I have the enterprise membership, and so as you can see, I have quite a few free templates that I can use to create my videos. And that simply means that I don't have to start from scratch. Now, if you want to narrow your search, over here is a list of categories. Just click on a category to view any related videos or use this search bar. Now, this is known here as the marketplace where they sell Doodly templates. When you buy Doodly templates, you are in essence buying a done-for-you, completely finished video. All you have to do is customize each scene by adding your business name, your business logo, your business address, and a call to action, and voila, you are done. They even provide you with a script that goes along with each scene. All you have to do is modify the script and then record your voiceover. If you come over here and you click My Paid Templates, this is where you're going to find a list of all the templates that you have purchased from the marketplace. As you can see, I don't have any templates that I've paid for. I mean, frankly, I get a lot of use out of all the free templates that came with my enterprise level membership. But that's not to say that I won't be purchasing templates in the future. Now, when you are ready to purchase templates for your next product, you just simply click on this image and you'll be taken to the marketplace immediately. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click back on this My Templates tab. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select the video so that you can see for yourself that what you are getting is a complete done-for-you video. Now, if you click on the image itself, it will create a version of the video for you to modify and to make your own. However, if you just wanted to say preview this video first to make sure that this is what you want to actually recreate, all you need to do is hover over the image and then click on this blue preview button. Now let me give you a heads up. Remember I told you that you are also provided a script to go along with each video template that you purchase? Well, the script is located in a gray transparent box across the bottom of each scene. Now don't be thrown off by that because I'll be showing you how to deactivate this feature at a later time. But it does come in handy when you are doing your voiceover, because you can read the script for each scene as you are recording it, and that helps with your timing. Now, like I said, I will be showing you how to deactivate this feature at a later time, but for those of you who would like to keep this feature, all you have to do is personalize the text to suit your video, record the audio, and voila, you're done. Take it from someone who has written many scripts for my own projects. Having a done-for-you script is a really big bonus. Hi everybody, Kellyanne here. Now you can watch each of these videos at videocaboose.com, where they are neatly organized for you into one continuous tutorial, and that makes it super easy for you to pick up where you left off. If you still need to purchase the Doodly software, I placed the link down in the description box. Click on it. All of my videos are free to share on social media channels by clicking the share button. And oh yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Alright, let's get back to work. Alright, let me click this preview button so that you can see for yourself what a Doodly template looks like. You can see Doodly templates are a game changer. I mean, every item on the canvas can be moved to a new location, can be rotated, it can even be deleted. And when you do that, you're making it your own. You're giving your videos its own flair. You're setting it apart from someone else who might be using the exact same template. I mean, you can add more elements to your scenes. You can actually add additional scenes to this template. You can change some of the characters. You can change the music clip. I mean, the sky's the limit, but you have a strong foundation to get you started. Like I said, Doodly templates are an excellent way to jumpstart your videos. Not only do they save you a lot of time during production, they also provide you with a high quality finished product right out of the starting gate. Well guys, that's enough for now. In our next lesson, we will explore the Doodly marketplace, because at some time or another, you will develop a need to make a purchase of Doodly templates, or maybe some images, or maybe even some music clips in order to raise your video creations to the next level. So let me show you how to make quick work of that.